Good morning, my lovely group ones. It is the 21st of January today, and we have got a brand new sound. It is or. Now, it is an o and a together. It is a new digraph for us to learn, and it says or. Now, on the next few slides, I've got some words that we're going to try and read with that or sound, okay? We might want to sound them out to help us if we get a little bit stuck. Let's give it a go. Now, this has got our brand new digraph, the o and the together that make the or sound. So the first one is for. Let's have a look at the next one. So let's sound it out. We've got k, or, d, k, or, d, cord. Now, I'm going to let you guys have a think about this one. What does the picture show? I think most of you will know it is a fork. Now, can you sound it out for me to think about how we would spell it? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to sound it out. Have you managed to do it? So it's going to be fork. Fork. So our special new digraph is in the middle of that word. Now, what is the name of the compass point that's at the very top? Now, I'm going to give you a clue. It begins with a n. It's right at the top of a compass. It is north. Now, can you sound that out so you'd know how to write it down? You've got 5 seconds to give it a go. Okay, how did you get on? It's a bit of a tricky one, this, because we've actually got 2 digraphs in this word. It's or, and then a t and a h together to make that sound. North. Well, I don't know if you got that one, everybody. You guys can try and sound this one out. I think you can do it now. Okay, it is or d. Lord. You've got 5 seconds to give this one a go. Have you managed it? Or n. Or n. Born. Ooh, we've got 2 digraphs again in this word. Can you spot the 2 digraphs before you try to read the word? Amazing if you've managed to do it. It is thorn. Thorn. So we've got the then the or, then thorn. Now, your challenge for today is to do some reading for me, okay? Now, when we're reading our captions, it's really important to remember to look for those tricky words first. So you can have a little look along the sentence. You don't have to read it, but just see if you can spot those tricky words for me. Then your next thing to do is look for those digraphs. Can you see any 2 letters together that make one sound? See if you can spot them. And see if you can work out each word at a time and then put the whole sentence together. Now, on the next few slides, we have got multiple sentences for you guys to read. So I'm just going to whiz them quite quickly, but what you'll need to do is when you get to one, if you hit pause, then you can try and read it. And then you can go on to the next one when you're ready, because otherwise I'll speed on far too quickly for you and you won't have time to read the whole sentence, okay? So here is the first one for you. So when you've got it, you just need to press pause so you can take your time reading it. Now, remember to look out for those tricky words first, find those digraphs, and then read each word at a time before you read the whole sentence, okay? And here is the next one for you. And the next one. And the next one. And that is it. If you get to this point, you have read all of those captions, which is amazing. And you remembered your top tips for spotting out those tricky words and then those digraphs. Well done for your super duper work. You've tried really hard. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.